Electric heat pumps emerged in the mid-20th century, revolutionizing home climate control. Initially met with skepticism, many feared their efficiency claims and high costs. Pioneers like Robert C. Weber played crucial roles in their development, showcasing their potential to harness ambient air and ground heat. Early adopters experienced mixed results, as installation challenges and performance variations stirred debate. Over the decades, advancements have refined heat pump technology, making it more efficient and reliable. Today, they provide eco-friendly heating and cooling solutions, significantly reducing energy bills and carbon footprints, and are vital in fighting climate change as we embrace sustainable living.